Hi, friends! Today we learned the letter E. Are you ready? Let's go! E. E. Elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant. E. E. Excavator. E is for excavator. Excavator. E. E. Egg. E is for egg. Egg. E. E. Earth. E is for earth. Earth. E. E. Eagle. E is for eagle. Eagle. E. E. Eraser. E is for eraser. Eraser. Great job! You learned the letter E. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!